right, here we are in Mission Bay, and tonight we're gonna try night fishing. I've got my Yak Attack light, I've got an overhead light, I've got this bright orange kayak. I think I'm gonna be okay. I got my life vest. I think it's gonna be fun. Come along with me, and we'll see what we can catch. It's starting to get a little dark. Time to turn on the light. So the sun's going down and the tide's going out. So this is a pretty good time to catch a fish. So let's see what we can do. Oh, we're on another one. We're on another one. Oh my God. Jeez, look at that, baby. Hey, Spotty, baby. Hey, Spotty, baby. All right. We're on another one, baby. There we go. Nice little spotty. Yeah, boy. All right, thank you so much for letting me catch you, little spotty. Thank you. There's some dolphins out there. You know, there's something really beautiful about seeing all the lights and hearing all the music and the sounds and people having fun. It just makes you feel good. All right, here we go. We're gonna do a little bit more fishing and then we're gonna go in. Oh my God. And there's a fish. Yeah, boy. Overall, fishing at night is a lot of fun and I felt really safe, especially with all of my precautions, having the lights, having the PFD, and making sure to be aware of my surroundings the whole time. I would recommend fishing at night as long as you are prepared. Anyways, with that said, happy fishing and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.